Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Nissan Rogue in sport mode. To begin, locate the drive mode selector, typically found near your gear shifter. This control allows you to switch between various driving modes. Simply press the button or rotate the dial to engage sport mode. You will see a clear indicator on your dashboard confirming that sport mode is now active, ready for a more dynamic drive. Engaging sport mode transforms your Nissan Rogue's performance. You'll immediately notice a more responsive throttle, providing quicker acceleration when you need it. The transmission also adjusts its shift points, holding gears longer to maximize power and create a more engaging driving experience. Additionally, the steering feel often becomes firmer, giving you better feedback from the road.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like for more useful content. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and control your smart home. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Sport mode is ideal for specific driving situations where you desire enhanced performance. It's perfect for spirited driving on winding roads, allowing you to feel more connected to your vehicle. When merging onto a busy highway, sport mode provides that extra burst of power for confident acceleration. You might also enjoy using it for a more engaging and responsive daily commute. Switching out of sport mode is just as straightforward as activating it. To return to your Nissan Rogue standard driving settings, simply press the drive mode selector button or turn the dial once more. The dashboard indicator will then confirm that sport mode is no longer active. Your vehicle will seamlessly revert to its normal, comfortable, and efficient driving configuration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.